Okay, good morning everybody. Last time in the last video we talked about graphing the equation of a circle. When the center is at the origin, that means 0, 0. Today what we're going to be talking about is graphing the standard form of an equation when the center is not at the origin. This should be nice and easy for you. It should be a nice quick video. If you remember it, our equation, from the last video, is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, where hk is the center and r is the radius. Okay, so if you remember back though, it's always going to be, the center is always going to be opposite whatever numbers in here. So it says minus h, so it'll be positive h here, minus k, be positive k here. And to get the radius, we're going to take the square root of whatever this number is. So you're going to see how this is all going to go in just a moment. Okay, so if we take a look at number 1, okay, we have x plus 4 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 25. That means I'm going to look at this number, I'm going to look at this number. And this is going to be r squared. So my center will be the opposite of 4, or negative 4, and the opposite of negative 2, which is positive 2. My radius will be the square root of 25, which is 5. So here's my origin right here. Okay, so I'm going to go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2, and put a dot. Okay, my radius, if you look at it, my radius is going to be 5. Okay, that's a square root of 25. So I'm going to go up 5, put a dot. I'm going to go left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put a dot. Okay, that's the easiest way to graph any circle. Okay, find your radius and plot it, and then do your best to draw a circle. Now it's probably not going to look very good. It actually doesn't look too bad. Okay. Now in number 2, a little bit different but not too bad. Again, I'm going to look at the negative 7 and then 0, and this will be r squared. So my center will be the opposite of negative 7, or positive 7, and there's nothing here, so my k value is going to be 0. My radius will be the square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So that means I'm going to count to the right 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and put a dot. Okay, then I'm going to go up 2, left 2, down 2, and right 2. Okay, switch colors there. Do the best you can on a circle. That definitely does not look like a circle, but that's okay. I want you guys to keep trying this. Okay. Now, if you take a look at number 3, I'm going to look at negative 3. My center will be the opposite of negative 3, which is 3, and the opposite of positive 1, which is negative 1. This is r squared. My r squared is 49, so the square root of 49 is 7. Okay, well, you guys actually can't see that. That's okay. So I'm going to go to the right 3. Here's my vertex here, my origin. 1, 2, 3, and down 1. Now from that point, I'm going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right 7. Okay, then you're going to do your best to make a circle. That definitely does not look like a circle. It looks like a rounded square. But again, that's pretty much it. You just have to remember to use the opposite number in whatever's in the parentheses, and that will move your circle over to the right or to the left, up and down. It goes the same thing with polynomials. It's going to be the opposite. You're going to move the opposite. Okay, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. In the next video, we're going to be talking about how to find the center and radius given an equation. It's a little bit different. We're not going to graph, but we're going to find the center and the radius given an equation. Hope you have a great day.